Today I have a 2-inch mini envelope and notes. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to glue them together. So I just have plain copy paper. You can use cardstock. And you don't have to glue them together if you don't want to. I'm just doing it so it's pretty on the inside and the outside, if I can get it done. If not, we'll just go back to doing one. I have more cut out and ready to go. So here we go. I'm going to cut it out with my brother's Scan and Cut. See, that might not work. Let's see if we can match them up. Because this was all done freehand. It was not done with some computer program. This is when I first started making them. So yeah, we'll just use this one. Sorry about that. Okay, so what you do is you fold in the two sides. One. And then you fold in the top, like so. And then you want to glue this little edge down at the bottom. You don't want to do it like me and get glue everywhere. You might want to use like a glue that has a tip to it, like the tacky glue or whatever glue you have that has a tip. If not, you need to get that off of there so it's not going to stick. Okay. Sorry about that. Anyway, then you do it like that. And here's your little paper. You can make two together. Maybe. Like I said. Yeah, those will go together, I think. Okay. And you still may be able to get that together, but I'm just like in a hurry because I gotta go somewhere. So you may have been able to do it. I just wanted to show my customer how to put these together. Now you have a nice thick piece of paper. You can do it like this. You want to fold it. Now, if the edges don't meet up exactly right, like I was saying, all you have to do is get some ink and it'll look like they do. There's always a way. Or you could use a brown marker. This looks fine. Ink it up. Do it on both sides. If you like perfection, this won't work for you though. To me, it's perfect. Perfectly imperfect. And then you can do this. This is if you like the vintage look, which I do. See? Looks cute. You can go on the inside, do the same thing. So cute. And then you could have inked it all before you put it together. I'm going to do it after. It still works. Just so it looks like it's got some aging. And sometimes I'll ink the whole thing. Just to give it even more. And then see, my cutter didn't cut all the way. You can cut with scissors and it'll get right on the money. Sometimes my cutter doesn't cut right close to it. And then you just keep going. And it makes it really cute. Like I say, it's not perfect. If you want perfection, well, this is not one of my perfect ones. But it is cute. And it doesn't have anything in the back here, so you could take like a stamp or something or a sticker. I've got plenty of stickers and stamps in my collection. So I'm going to add something real quick here. Let's see. I'll just do the flower one. Do I want red? Probably not. I'll do the one that has some pink. And this is vintage. So yeah, that look cute. There's lots of things you could add besides this. I'm just kind of in a hurry, like I said. And you could put somebody's name if it's going to be given to somebody. Or you could write maybe a stamp that says vintage or something like that. Now, it's kind of off, just a little. So you could have brought it in further. And since this is demonstration, I'm just going to show you. Could bring it in a little bit like that, and it'll be right on where it's not sticking out. Anywho, shoved in like that. Do all of it. Ta-da! And then you can just glue it shut or stick it on the inside so people can open it, or just leave it like it is. Whatever you want to do. It's your creation. Make it your own. And that's it, folks. Thank you for watching, and I will have this in my shop. Take a look at Pastor's Wife Digiprint on Etsy. Bye-bye!